Hi, my name is Marguerite Harrison, and I do work at the Holland Hospital, and I'm part of the housekeeping department. I have been at the hospital a little over 3 years. My husband was a patient here. I was here on a daily basis, and I would see a cleaning cart pass by, and it's like, man, I want to ride that cart. I want to push that cart. I want to work here, because the interaction that I had with the nurses, the doctors, the workers, it was moving to me. Cleaning is not just a job to me, it's a passion. I love cleaning. Each room that we go in on a daily basis, we use a 6-step, which is very essential to the cleanliness of the room. And if you're going from left to right or right to left, you remember you work in a circle. Once you work in a circle, you cannot miss anything. I love to sing. Somebody cry. Singing nobody knows lifts your spirit. What it means to be strong. Sometimes I'll be humming a song on the hallway, and the patient's family will come out and say thank you. That made me very proud that I could change somebody's life and feelings. It makes a difference. Little things that we do every day does make a difference. My name is Marguerite. I make the rooms that makes a difference.